Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to tag a person on TikTok Reels. So for that you just need to open any video or any post of your TikTok. So just click on this three dot here, and here you'll find multiple options. Just go for the edit tag people. So just click on here, and what the person you are going to tag here, so you just click on that person and you can tag multiple person, or you can choose a single person to tag. So I just click on this person and just click on done. So that's it, the person has tagged into the video. So you can see that here the person has been tagged into the video. So if you want to remove this person from your video tag, so simple process to untag a person from your reels, just click on the same video, same option, just edit tag, and click on the this person, and this will untag the person, and just click on done. So you can find the option remove tag from this video, so just remove it and done. Your person has been removed here. You can show this the person is not tagged here. So this is how you can tag or untag a person from your TikTok reel. So this is a very simple process. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.